Hey everybody, another video here. We're going to be running through this straight out of Aldi. This is the Adventuridge 6-person instant up tent with awning. You've probably seen a short a little while ago. Susan and I just straight in the camping gear section at Aldi. Couldn't help ourselves, $179 for this. So what we thought we'd do is a quick video, just an unboxing. We'll set it up and take a look at it. What we wanted to do is have this as an option out for our next camp with the kids. So we thought we'd just set it up, take a look at it together, just to make sure all the parts are there and everything's working fine before we take it out on the road. But yeah, join us and we'll set it up and we'll take a look at it together. Cheers. So yeah, look, we'll just open up the box, open up the case here and take a bit of a look. Bit of cardboard there, a little bit of padding for to sleep on. Alright, so straight in the box here, your warranty certificate there and the manual. You know how Susan and I roll, probably won't read this, but some of the other things that we set up, that's actually gone pear-shaped there. We might need to refer to this. And straight in here, like most tents, just a quick guide here with pictures on how to set him up. Alright. Well, I wasn't expecting it to be in a box here, but yeah, I might just quickly grab the box cutter out and open this up. Yeah, so got him out of the cardboard there. Nicely rolled up here, it's looking pretty nice. We'll take this off and just unroll him out and see what we've got. Looks like all the awning poles and everything else are wrapped in here. So that'd be the cover. Looks like some tent pegs there. We'll probably just use our screw-in ones for this, but tent pegs and the poles and the weather cover there. So what we might do, just lay them out here. Obviously our backyard's uneven, but we'll just try and put it on a spot here just so we can set it up and take a look at it together. Cheers. Hey guys, so I've just laid it out flat here. No hyperlapse or time lapse here. We're just going to do it in real time. I don't think it takes very long. So yeah, I'll just pop him up. Yeah, that wasn't too bad, a bit of mucking around, but we'll get the weatherproof on. Excellent. We might just peg this down and put up the poles in the awning and come back and show you. So there it is, guys, straight out of Aldi, the Adventuridge 6-person instant up tent with awning. I think probably took about, maybe I'd probably say about 5 minutes, you know, less than 2 to actually get everything up, but a bit of mucking around, going around just to put the velcros on, and I put a couple of tent pegs down just to hold it in place, and obviously the awning with the poles here, but really easy to set up. Quickly with this tent, very easy to set up, like I just mentioned, but it weighs about 12 kilos, so it's really light as well. But having a look at the quality, it's actually, yeah, it looks bloody brilliant. But look, we'll take a quick look around and show you a few things around the actual tent itself, and then we'll hop inside so you can take a better look. But straight up, so yeah, the poles, all the guy ropes are the bright orange, so they're easier to see, which is really good for you know, so you don't trip over throughout the day. But in under here, as you saw with the actual tent itself with the instant frame, goes up very quickly. The tent itself is actually attached with clips on all the poles, so once you start folding it out, the whole thing just erects. Also with this with the weather cover, it has Velcro on here, which actually holds it firmly to the actual poles itself. And down the bottom it actually has clips, buckle clips, so all of the 4 corners are down tight, as you can see here, sorry. But yeah, like a lot of other fast frames, the clip on here, which you can tie and taut depending on how you want to roll. Didn't put any of these guy ropes out, but around the tent themselves there's more guy ropes here if you want a little bit more stability out, depending on where you're camping, but really good with the high vis there. Typical window here, really nice. One thing I will note, I will mention, is all of the zippers have actually got a little bit of that sort of high visibility rope on there, which is great. So you know, so you can easily see where the zips are, which is a good thing. Around the back here, so there's 3 windows here, one on either side and one at the back. This window here is pretty cool. It's more like a ventilation window, so you can actually unzip it, roll it up like the other 2, or you can actually have it down with a separate zip, and it actually comes out like this. So it has the guy ropes, which you can actually tie it down and actually have that ventilation going in. So that'd be pretty cool. Keep it out of the weather, but allow that airflow going into the tent, which would be fantastic. But yeah, guys, it's yeah, it's bloody awesome. What we'll do is we'll walk around into the front and hop into the tent so you can actually take a look. There's a few cool things in there which we'll show, but yeah, it's looking pretty brilliant. Hello, can I come in, Suze? Are you decent? Only kidding, only joking. So Suze, what do you think?
I think this is brilliant. Like, it's got some really cool features. So even this one, this is even on our amazing instant up tent. It has that half window thing, so you can have it zipped up and then have a little bit of airflow, but then the bottom part is covered. I think that's pretty good. The one thing I do like is it's got so many hooks as well, so you can actually hang some lights or whatever from here, but it also has a light or a fan hook up here as well, and then in the back corner as well it has another Velcro thing. The one thing I really love, because our awning tent, and you know how much we love our awning tent, the one thing it doesn't have is these pockets for your gear on either side of the tent. And of course, LT's side of the tent is the one with the pocket in the awning tent. So, but this one, look, got them on either side. So then I can have a pocket too. So I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, it looks really good. It looks really airy in here, obviously good airflow. One other really good thing is that it has that the little port where you can actually put your power cables in, but it doesn't have just one, it's got 2. So you've got one at the front and then one at the back as well. So it depends on where your solar panel is or where your power is. You've got some options either at the front or at the back of the tent. So it's really good. So I'm excited to use this. Kind of spewing that the kids are going to use it before us, but that's okay. We'll get them to test how waterproof it is before we have to take it out camping. But yeah, really stoked with it. What do you think, Stickers? Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, and I think yeah, so the size of this, it's 3 meters by 2.7. So yeah, it's quite a spacious spot in here. 6-person tent. Probably kidding yourselves there, but you know, you could you could easily put 6 kids in here, or 6 adults if you wanted to snuggle up and spoon each other. But I mean, 3 meters by 2.7 is actually really good space. At the top here, it is 1.97, I think, to the peak here, or it might actually be the thing. So it's actually quite nice. I'm over 6 foot tall. My hat's sort of hitting the top here, but it is spacious. And I love the fact that it's such a small unit and it compacts really well. The only issue with this, I've seen a few other models from Aldi, and they must mix it up, either different countries or different year models. You know, I kind of think it would be a lot better if the weather cover actually went straight down to the ground, like actually cover the full thing. But you know, I've seen other models over previous years that have that. I think it'd probably be a bit better, especially for the Queensland weather where it's bloody hot as hell and it'll storm to buggery. So you know, I think having that protection would be a lot better. But I mean, can't fault the tent. It's actually really good quality. It looks fantastic. The only other thing with this bloody awning is oops, I bloody trip over the bloody thing. But you could see it already here. You know, like, I suppose we could we only just put the guy ropes up just for so you could see it, you know, so we could demo it out. But it's actually quite saggy here. It's almost like a pair of my old jocks. So you'd imagine in the weather, like, you know, with heavy rain, it's really going to be pooling under here. So we're kind of thinking either if we have, like, you know, get a pool noodle with one of our telescopic poles and push this up so that the water runs off it, or even something on the side here where we can clip even maybe one of our deflappers or something like that, Suze, and actually run it down with the guy rope just to get that water to run down. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Like, you know, for the price, what was it, $179 for an instant up frame like this? Bloody hell, it's really good. I love the black bucket flooring. Yeah, it's bloody really good quality. Absolutely sweating our hole out. Like, I've been far out. It's absolutely perfect weather here in Brisbane. But yeah, hot and dry. Drier than a desert dingo's donger. But yeah, look guys, we'll do a couple of shots here. But yeah, Suze, do you have anything else to say about this?
No, I am really stoked with it. I actually had my reservations, obviously because it was a last minute decision, but I'm pretty impressed. I'm looking forward to getting it out and seeing how it goes.
Bloody oath. Well, look guys, yeah, that's all she wrote. We'll pack it up and see if I can get it back in that bloody bag. But yeah, really stoked with it. It's awesome. So yeah guys, there it is. Probably not too sure if you saw it in the hyperlapse, but yeah, a little bit of a mission to get it back in the bag. A little bit more room in this bag would have been would have been awesome. But anyway, we squeezed it in and it's all good. For the price, $179, really good quality. Absolutely stoked with it. Looking forward to taking it out camping with the kids. So we'll show you it out there in the elements, out there using it with the kids when we head out camping next week. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching our videos, following us, for all the comments and all of that sort of stuff. Look, Suze and I really appreciate it. So yeah, keep up them comments and that sort of stuff. Thank you so much. Please take care out on the roads. Clean up after yourself out at camp. Please take care of yourselves and look after your friends and your fams. And yeah, until next time, get amongst it.